EDGE boosts data speed and capacity per time slot. Phase 1 of EDGE standardization was completed by the end of 1999 and includes both eCSD and eGPRS services, showing the following features. eCSD at 28.8 kilobits per second NTT per time slot, eCSD at 43.2 kilobits per second NT per time slot, eCSD at 57.6 kilobits per second NT and 64 kilobits per second T with 2 time slots, eGPRS between 8.8 and 59.2 kilobits per second using modulation and coding schemes MCS 1 to 9, link adaptation for eCSD, and link adaptation combined with incremental redundancy for eGPRS.